Well, hello everybody. Sorry for the shaky camera. Let me try to fix it. Okay, so guess what came in the mail? Yes, the UGreen Uno RG 4-point robot GAN fast charger, 100 watts. So this is the back of it. So let's carefully. Sorry about that. Be careful when opening this, and don't. If you're gonna open this, you have a parent open this for you, because I can't do it. This is a strong tape, guys. There you go. Finally. Now try to get this there. What's in the box? User installation. Every manual. Get that out of the way. And for the big surprise. Ooh, I can't wait for this. Alright, here we go. And that is the here you go. Remove the film. Alright. Now you're gonna see, how does this work? Well, here you go. That's how it works. You just remove its feet, and it's supposedly there's magnets, so you can stick it on something. I don't think this one has, but alright, let's get my friend here, and there you go. Our little friend. So let's grab a charger real quick here. Let's move that. Oh look, it's blushing, everyone. It was happy. So let's connect it in and get the phone. Sorry, this is a different UA, but maybe I can hold her like that. Oh, I thought it would have done something. Alright, let's plug it in. Looks like it's doing some cool animations. Some fun face animations. Hello to the UGreen. Looks like it's eating the power to charge our phone. This is pretty cool. Also, you have multiple ports here. You got three port USB-C ports and one USB-A port. So that's fun. Let's just take her out now, because that's cool. And when you're done with it, you just put the feet back on. And there you go. Your little thing, your UGreen. There's this cool little smiley animation. I have the old one, other one right here. Let me pull it out real quick. Compared to the other one I have, the other UGreen, with only 2 USB-C ports and 1 A. So this will be fun to use at night. So if you like this video, why don't you subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.